Hi everyone, today I'm working on a sunroof water leak on a '09 BMW 335. I'm having to take the pillar off on the side, but I was going to show you what I'm talking about. On the top of the car that has a sunroof, if you look down on the corners, right down in there, it's going to be kind of hard to see with this camera, but let's see if it'll focus. Right there you can see that little hole. You got one of those on each side. That's basically the drain that drains the water out whenever you go through a car wash or it rains. But what ends up happening is that the pipe on the inside underneath the headliner right here, you can see it up in there, right there, this ends up working its way, or it just becomes loose, which this one was a little loose. As soon as I touched it, I felt I seen water dripping. So you want to make sure that this is really tight up in there, and you could probably put some sealant or something to try to make sure it doesn't come back down again. But how do you get to that? You basically got to take this panel off right here on the inside of the car on the right side where it says the airbag. Now it will have this little airbag emblem right here. The easiest way that I normally get them out, because if they haven't been taken out before, it's kind of tough to get them out, but if you push on one side and get it to lopside a little bit, and then take you a little grab tool like this, and whenever it's off to the side, you can get this little grab tool on the back side like this, and then kind of wedge it out and it'll pop right out. Now once you take that out, you'll have a little bracket and a torque bit to unscrew, and then you'll need to take your grab handle off, your sun visor, take the electrical wire off. Now on this car it was all torque bits, so you can see right here the pieces where I took them off. And then you know, take your seal off. But once you get all that off, you'll be able to check that sunroof drain to see if it was open. It's the same way on the driver's side. Just take your time, because this is kind of brittle. Don't just start yanking on it. It does have that bolt in there, so if you start yanking on it, you'll snap it and break it. They're pretty brittle. But anyway, I hope my video helped you out today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.